guys, welcome back to my channel Style Art. Today in this video I will show you how quickly you can draw the eyes. So watch my full video and also like, share and subscribe my channel for a latest update of my videos. So let's begin. So before I start to draw, here I will draw a single straight line. Then I mark 2 points. This will be my eyebrows. Okay, so from here let's begin. Hope you guys are liking my video, and also please comment in my comment sections. So this is the eyebrows. Now I will draw another straight line. This will be a little small than the previous one. Now here I will draw a circle. So now I will draw the eyes. This is the water line. And this is the crease of the eye, the crease line. Always remember the corner point of the eyes and the corner point of the eyebrows should be in an angular match. Okay, so for making it clear, I'm here pointing in a dotted line, and same as well, this corner should be matched with this corner but in a angular way. Okay, this is in a 45-degree angular distance. This is the eyeliner. Now the eyelashes. This is the underline of the eyes. And now the eyelashes. So I'm almost at the end of my video. So hope you guys like my video, and also please subscribe my channel, and also share and like and comment in my comment sections, and let me know what kind of videos do you want me to show, so that it will help you. So here it's very simple. I hope you like these eyes, these beautiful eyes. So okay, so this is my end of my video. So till then, take care, bye bye.